So ngangicleaner ngisho sengisho ekuqaleni ngangicleaner ekubona icleaner sometimes being a cleaner ukuthi mhlambe usebenza ekseni la khona abantu bengena khona because ngangiclean e-office usebenza ekseni lesikhathi leso abantu bengena then ama managers nama supervisors njalo njalo abantu bonke abasebenza e-office baphuza amati ekseni then usebenze uwashe lezi wash uclean njalo nje zonke lezi zinto and then bese kuba nesikhathi la khona ke sengihamba futhi ngiphinde ngiyosebenza because uclean kwami ngisebenza e-office ngiphinde ngiyocleana ezinye indawo ekuthiwa izinkantini enkantini la kwakudliwa khona kabasebenzi sebenza clean nalapho emashaweni njalo njalo ema-toilets njalo cleaning all those places up until kuze kwakuthi makushaya ikhathi zabo 1 zama lunch I will have my lunch then after lunch then I'll have to go back and clean base beqeda ukudla nabanye abantu and then bese ukuthi ngabo 3 sengizipreparela vele ukushayisa basashayisa bo 4:30
Oh, okay.
Bese uthi ngalezo ikhathi ngabo 3 whereby total awusekho umsebenzi uqedile kwakunelinye office elinye I think babelisebenza kudala leli office it was a very big office it was lalinje likwelinye side so bangasasebenzi khona so sometimes ngizoya khona it was an old office kodwa nje kusenezinto uthola nje kungasasebenzi kunezinto zokuhlala njalo njalo where I would get inside in one of the offices le office yayisa double story because nayo futhi babetha ngiclean yabo lento ukuthi abasebe uyiboss yakho maye ukuthi nje just ufuna ukuthi ukube nento yenzayo nalo bazothi ngiclean do kungasebenzi ngizocleana ke nalo ngizoshanela nje ngishanele and then ukuthi mangijwayele ukucleana ngangijwayele ukufaka ama headsets yabo ngidlale sheep ngidlale sermons njalo njalo so all sitting zokuthi mase ngiyangalena ke bese ngidlala ke zilalelo I'll keep on praying because I'll use that opportunity because it's cutting angisuke ngingedwa ngazo I'll keep on praying I'll pray khumbula ukuthi one of the days I'll even declare ngithi one of these offices here will be my office I'll keep on declaring praying up until anti ngumuntu othanda nokulalela intshumayelo zabantu yabo njalo zonke lezi zinto